How to make a custom voice in Elevenlabs. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the world of Elevenlabs and showing you how to create your very own custom voice. It's easier than you think. So let's get started. First, as always, search Elevenlabs in your favorite browser. Then log into your account. So now you can see here there's an option called Settings, and on the right side it says Add Voice. From here you can put your voice. But for this, you have to record your voice first. Then you can use your own age here. If you click here again, you'll see that there are many voices that you can use if you want. I'm playing it. But my mic is off, so you can't hear everything. Anyway, you can do more settings from here. From here, you can customize the voices to your liking. You can see here there are many languages. You can select the language from here. After writing the text here, your text will be converted into voice. After writing your text, click on the generate option here and it'll be generated. After your voice is generated here, you can see there's a download option. If you download from here, you can download it for free. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make your own custom voice in Elevenlabs. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future tutorial. Until next time, happy creating!